Good afternoon everyone, myself Satyanjali Mehar and today I'll be presenting on Loreal. So let's start with the company overview. Founded in 1909 by Eugene Schuller, L'Oreal has grown into world leading beauty company. Operating in over 150 countries, it leads the market with a diverse product portfolio and immense innovation. L'Oreal mission is to offer all men and women worldwide the best of the cosmetic innovation in terms of quality, efficacy and variety. Ensuring innovation and excellence, L'Oreal vision is to be the world's most inclusive, diverse and sustainable beauty company. Coming to L'Oreal financial performance, L'Oreal has shown a consistent growth year after year. Coming to 5-year stock price, L'Oreal has shown a consistent growth, surpassing its competitor like Estée Lauder, P&G, Unilever, etc. Coming to capital structure, L'Oreal show a balanced capital structure, 33.16% equity and 66.32% debt, which shows us that it is mainly based on debt financing. Okay, so let's talk about valuation. Enterprise value of L'Oreal is 190.97 billion euro compared to current market price, which is 363.4, which is less and it is undervalued. Market capital of L'Oreal is 187.5 billion euro. Again, comparison to current market, enterprise value of L'Oreal is 190.97 billion euro compared to current market price, which is 363.4, which is less and it is undervalued. Market capital of L'Oreal is 187.5 billion euro. Again, compared to current market, which was 363.4, it is less and undervalued. Free cash flow of L'Oreal is 6.15 billion. Moving further to Porter 5 forces, the two of the Porter 5 forces are rivalry and buyer power. So, in rivalry, L'Oreal has high rivalry among its competitors like P&G, Estée Lauder, Unilever. Among its competitors, P&G is giving neck-to-neck competition to L'Oreal, and still L'Oreal is performing better than all its competitors. Next is buyer power. Customer have high buying power because customer is impacting indirectly on price because there are so many other options available from different companies. So customer can choose different product. Customer can choose different product. So that's why customer have high buying power. Moving on to sustainability and risk management. For several years, L'Oreal has been dedicated to minimizing the environmental impact while making meaningful contribution to society, like reducing its impact on climate, water, biodiversity, etc., empowering its ecosystem, partners, consumer and the industry to actively participate in the transformation. Moving on to trend analysis. As you can see in vertical analysis, cost of sales is consistent. As you can see, in 2020 it was 26.9% and in recent year it is 27.3%, which is like same, so it is consistent. And moving on to profit after tax, it is consistent only. So like you can see in the year 2020 it is 14.0% and 2021 it is increased by 0.5%. that is 14.5%, and decreased by 0.2%, which doesn't affect that much. And in 2023 it is increased by 0.5%, and in 2024 it is performing well as comparison to previous year, that is 15.3%. And moving on to coming to horizontal trend analysis, as you can see, company was performing very well from 2019 to 2022, but in 2023 it decreased by some percentage. As you can see, the finance cost was here is 22%. So it means they are investing more in research and development and innovation, which impacted the revenue. But in the upcoming year, they will generate revenue, and they are still trying to cope up with the trend. So we can expect that they will perform better this year. And you can see profit here. It was 6% in 2019, and then it reduced to 3%, then significantly increased, then reduced, then again drastically reduced. But I am expecting that it will generate a good amount of profit and revenue in upcoming year, as they are still evolving. So yeah, and moving on to ESG. So the total ESG score of L'Oreal is 19.6. Environmental risk score is 6.8. Social risk score is 7.4, and governance risk score is 5.4. So we would like to invest 10 million pound in research and development, innovation, and in AI, because we won't occur any loss if we invest in AI. As you know, technology is still evolving, so it is beneficial to invest in AI. And that's all from my side. Thank you.